strawberry daiquiri. Under a minute. Shake a tin. 2 strawberries. Quartered. Muddled. 2 ounces of white rum. Half ounce of strawberry syrup. 3/4 ounce lime juice. Ice. Shake. Chilled coupe. Double strain. Garnish with the full strawberry. That's how you make strawberry daiquiri in under a minute.
Here's how to make a tasty strawberry daiquiri. Chop up a lime and some strawberries and then throw some ice into the comfy blender. We've added 2 shots of vodka, but if you want to go for a mocktail, you don't have to add this. Throw in the strawberries in and squeeze some of the lime juice in there to give it a bit of taste. Then top it off with some strawberry syrup to add that sweet taste. Then we're going to give it a mix on setting 2 of the blender, and there you have it. Look at that. That is the perfect daiquiri. Ready for those sunny days ahead.
What's up guys, you would love this drink. It's a strawberry daiquiri cocktail and I want to show you how I prepared it. First, grab your blender and pour some strawberries into it, then add some grenadine syrup. Then you're going to need lots and lots of ice cubes, lots of it. Then grab the almighty Aperito bitters. It's a perfect mix for all your cocktail drinks, and add as much as you want into it. Then you're just going to cover your blender now and blend the way. You make sure that all the ice cubes are properly crushed and you have your perfect refreshing strawberry daiquiri. And the Aperito bitters just makes your cocktail drink super refreshing and tasty. You would almost want to finish multiple cups of cocktails. That's what it does. And the good thing again is this daiquiri is not restricted to just strawberries. You can use any fruit and any mix of your choice. Just make sure you have the Aperito bitters in it and you are good to go. Let me know if you tried this in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm going to show you how to make the best strawberry daiquiris. Host happy hour at your house. You're going to have a blast. Here's how you make it. Start by making the simple syrup. In a saucepan, combine equal parts sugar and water. Let it cook until the sugar completely dissolves. Once it dissolves, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. You're going to need frozen strawberries, fresh lime juice, coconut rum, and 1/4 cup of simple syrup. This was too runny for me, so I added more frozen strawberries, more rum, and that was it. This consistency was perfect for me. Serve it with whipped cream and enjoy.
Let's make a strawberry daiquiri. Very nice. 1 medium-sized strawberry. Typically for daiquiris, I like 3/4 ounce simple syrup, but since we're adding fresh fruit, I'm gonna lower the syrup to a 1/2 ounce. Give that just a quick muddle. What this is essentially doing is just making a strawberry syrup. Yeah! 3/4 ounces of your mother's limes. Yeah! If you don't squeeze your own citrus, go sit naked in the rain. 2 ounces of your favorite rum. I like to use a white rum. Plantation 3 Star is very nice. Oh, Billy. 2 ounces, not the marking inside, it's the top flush. Shake and bake, Bar Tools and Bio. Frozen coupe. Freeze your coupes, you poops. Since this has fruit chunks in, we'll double strength. Quick moment of appreciation for you guys. We got 400,000 followers. I think we're relatively small in the TikTok world, but I appreciate each and every one of you. Never would I thought I would make money off social media. It seems kind of cuckoo, but here we are. I get sponsorships, I get free stuff all the time, and it's all because of you and your support. So I don't take it for granted, and it means so much. So thank you so much, Billy. I had absolutely no interest in TikTok. My wife made me do it, so you should thank her. And she also films me. Catch you later, Billy.